In this particular problem, a flag on a bus is fluttering in north direction and wind is blowing in the east direction. Then which of the following will be true? So, flag is fluttering in north direction and wind is blowing in east direction. That means the actual direction, in absence of wind, the direction of flag will be in somewhere northwest direction. This is the actual direction of flag. And when there is no wind, the flag flutters in opposite direction to the motion of the vehicle, that is the motion of the bus. So the bus is moving in this particular direction. This is the wind velocity that is in east direction. This is the flag's resultant velocity in north direction. So this is south, this is west. So the direction of velocity of bus is somewhere within southeast direction. So here from, if we look at the option A says bus is moving in south direction, B says bus is moving in northeast direction, C says bus may be moving in any direction between south and east, bus may be moving in any direction between south and west. As we can see that the bus is moving in a direction between south and east, so correct option is C.